Hi guys, it's Chris here from some bloke who travels a lot, and today we are in Stuttgart, more specifically at the Hilton NeckarPark, which as you can see is on the doorstep of the Stuttgart Stadium, which I enjoyed a great guided tour of. And it's also just 10 minutes walk from the awesome Mercedes Benz Museum. I had a great afternoon there, and I don't even drive. But what was the Hilton like? Well, first things first, we need to check in. That I did on the Hilton app, which of all the hotel apps I've used, it's probably the best. I love the fact that you can choose your room from a floor plan. So top tip, if you're staying at a Hilton, download the app. It's not just great for check-in, but also can be used as your room key, and it's packed full of local information. But anyway, let's get inside the hotel. It's a very light and airy, open plan lobby, modern hotel, great check-in staff, very, very friendly. Downstairs, it's got all the facilities you need. It's also got quite a sporting theme throughout, which is no surprise as we're next door to the stadium and the Porsche Arena. Now, let's bob in the elevator. We'll go up to my room. This, out of interest, was room 431. And it's the standard Queen room, which I paid €108 for one night. And it's everything you'd expect in a Hilton Garden Inn. We've got our room safe, we've got extra pillows. Yeah, that safe isn't going anywhere, so that's always a good sign. All your facilities that you need, your ironing board, always a bugbear of mine if I don't get one of those in a hotel room. And of course, as I said, we have a queen bed, which was absolutely marvellous. Bedside, you've got German standard plugs, you've also got USB, quick flash there of the air conditioning, which was needed in this room. As you'll see in a second, it had blinds on the window as it got real direct sunlight. TV, I didn't check out the TV because I used the broadband, which was stable enough speeds to stream with, so I got to watch a bit of YouTube with no problems at all. 10 meg down, 10 meg up. I don't think I uploaded a video, I'm pretty sure I didn't. There's an abundance of storage space, especially for one night. Also a nice touch, tea and coffee, and we have got some cremers. Not a fan, rather have UHT milk. Minibar's been removed, that's fairly standard this day and age, but we've got an empty fridge. So if I'd wanted to, I could have added. As you can see by that door, this room also could be used as a connecting room. So if you're travelling as a family, connecting rooms here. Into the bathroom, see a little bit of wear and tear on the door, but the bathroom was immaculate. And we'll do our normal test. If the toilet's clean, the hotel's clean. So yeah, nice, big, spacious. I call it a bathroom. Of course, again, it's a modern hotel. We've got a shower. But pretty much walk-in size, double shower, even though I was travelling on my own. Crabtree toiletries, absolutely great, refreshing, good. I do miss the little bottles. I know we shouldn't miss them because it's the right thing, because they were such a waste in many ways. But my bathroom cabinet at home certainly misses being stocked up with mini bottles. Now you thought I'd forgotten the bed test, but there you go. Perfect for me, nice and solid. Good selection of pillows, so I needed all four because they were a little bit soft. Anyway, I'll show you that view out the window and the blind. If you're staying here, the blind button is by the bedside because I couldn't find it, but it is needed because it gets direct sunlight into this room. And there you can see we have the Porsche Arena. So after my exploration of the museum, it was time to get something to eat and something in the bar. Now this is the main dining area, and obviously you can see this is also set up for breakfast, which I'll show you that in a second. Now there was a function going on while I was there, so it looks like I was completely on my own, but everybody was in the other side of the room. Didn't stop me having a beer. Look at these projectors. Look at that. If you're watching sport, there was no sport on when I was there, but those are the projectors which make that whole back wall the screen. Great menu. It's a Hilton Garden Inn, and so I was a little bit surprised after going through all the menu, and lots of options. They've got dry aged beef. So I went over to the fridge and selected my steak for the evening. I thought this was a nice touch. I spoke to a chefy friend of mine and I showed him this video. He said, you don't want dry aged beef that's been vac packed or sous vide. But nevertheless, and you can be the judgment of what it looks like, I had a really good steak and chips with a little veg on the side, a little bit of garlic butter, cooked medium rare. That was a surprising touch. I wasn't expecting to get home dry aged beef in a Hilton, but I did, as you can see. That's my medium rare. What do you think? Is that too rare for you? Is that blue? Is that too bloody? I really enjoyed it. It was fantastic. Obviously, first thing in the morning, quick trip to the gym. Obviously not to use it, but just to show you around. And obviously all the bits and bobs are there. And again, you've got a view of the Porsche Arena. Anyway, I'm going to leave you with a little walk around breakfast, which I didn't actually have. I just walked in and filmed it. So all in all, the Hilton NeckarPark, excellent hotel, friendly staff. If you're visiting the stadium, it's impossible to be closer. And if you're visiting the Mercedes Benz Museum, which even as I'm a non-car lover, I absolutely loved. Anyway, you will find links direct to the hotel in the description below, all the offers, details about the museum, details about the stadium tour, everything like that is in the description. So if you're interested in the Hilton NeckarPark, I thoroughly recommend it, and you'll find loads of details in the description below. Thank you very much for watching, and happy travels.